tonight are on your screens, and that's what my panelists are going to address in the next 60 minutes. On the show, we ask, can BJP repeat poll fortunes in Uttar Pradesh? We also talk about the double-engine sarkar or the double-engine governance, formidable threat to the so-called opposition unity. We also will analyze, can regional forces like Samajwadi Party and Bahujan Samaj Party be a potent counter to Bharatiya Janata Party's formidable dominance? Why we say formidable dominance? 7 years and counting in the state and 10 years at the center. And last but not the least, can transformation paradigm of the Uttar Pradesh state by the BJP counter the caste calculus driven by the opposition in Uttar Pradesh particularly? Very interesting battle lines on the cards, but before that, when it comes to Lucknow, it is also about the nazakat and the nafasat, which actually means the delicacy, the loveliness of Lucknow. I can see my audience nodding to that and some of them smiling also. And the old world charm that Lucknow as a city has to offer. Me and my team, we were fortunate enough to spend some 72 hours, and we realized 72 hours is not enough to discover or rediscover Lucknow and its beauty. Take a look. A popular cliche in Hindi, Delhi ka rasta UP hote hue jata hai, which means road to the power center in Delhi passes through UP. The political sayings illustrating the most populous Indian state of Uttar Pradesh with the maximum chunk of Lok Sabha seats plays a very, very crucial role for the national elections. I've been told that the who's who of Lucknow, from top politicians to every tourist who comes to Lucknow, has to have a cup of tea here. मतदान करेंगे, जरूरी है मतदान?
बहुत जरूरी मतदान करेंगे। खाना पीना बाद में खाएंगे, पहले मतदान करेंगे, क्योंकि हम मतदान नहीं करेंगे तो सही नेता को हम जज नहीं कर पाएंगे कौन है। सबको अपना अपना मत का देने का अधिकार है, तो अपने अधिकार का पूरा प्रयोग कीजिए।
उत्तर प्रदेश तो 70-80% बदल गया है, महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से, बच्चों की पढ़ाई की दृष्टि से, और जो लूट खसोट है वो बहुत कम हुई है।
UP has lots of change, lots of the transportation has changed, the security of the basically business class has changed. Main thing business, because business is the economy of the every state, and if the business increases, automatically economy of the state increases.
We are here at the iconic Bhul Bhulaiya Bada Imam Bara. These are heritage buildings dating back to 18th and 19th century, and typically also called the seat of Nawabs or the titular rulers of the Lucknow state.
यूपी तो कम से कम 80% बदल गया। बदलाव क्या है? रोड देख लीजिए, साफ सफाई देख लीजिए, और गुंडागर्दी तो एकदम ही मैट।
We always choose to our leader who always represent just like our Nawabs. The leaders take care of the all peoples here. We never see like the Hindu or Muslims. Yeah, we want the leader who work here.
मतदान अपने मुद्दों पर करिए, जो आपके साथ खड़ा हो सके, आपके काम आ सके, जिससे आपका परिवार जो है खुश रह सके।
जितने भी लोग हैं समाज में बढ़ चढ़ के मतदान करें ताकि अच्छी सरकार का गठन हो सके।
हम चाहते हैं बदलाव हो, तो एजुकेशन की तरफ, गरीबी की तरफ, बेरोजगारी की तरफ, क्योंकि अगर बदलाव सियासत से हट के गरीबी, बेरोजगारी और जहालत पर हो तो हमारा सूबा, हमारा प्रदेश, हमारा घर, हमारा मुल्क तरक्की करेगा।
When you come to Lucknow, besides the Lucknowi biryani and tunde kebab, Lucknow, rather the old Lucknow city, is also very famous for the baturas and the lassi. Come with me and let's enjoy the flavored yogurt ice curd.
मतदान करना इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि हमें देश के भविष्य को बनाना है, तो जो देश के लिए काम करें उनको जो है लाना है।
ऐसा क्यों लखनऊ के बारे में आमतौर पर कहा जाता है कि मुस्कुराएं आप लखनऊ में हैं?
जी, ऐसा इसलिए कहा जाता है मैडम कि लखनऊ की तहजीब ही ऐसी है कि कोई भी लखनऊ का आपको मिलेगा ऐसा बोलेगा, ऐसा इज्जत देगा कि आप जरूर मुस्कुराएंगे। कर मेरे युवाओं से कहना है जो पहली बार मतदान कर रहे हैं, पहले मतदान करें फिर जलपान करें और ऐसे सदस्य को चुने जो आपके बीच में वो हमेशा रहे, आपकी मदद करे।
The Bharatiya Janata Party has seen the dominance in the last two editions of the Lok Sabha polls, while the opposition, particularly the regional warhouses like Samajwadi Party and the Bahujan Samaj Party, are desperate to bounce back to power along with the other opposition parties like Congress. We will have to wait till the D-Day, the results day, what is going to be the verdict of the Uttar Pradesh's, the largest Indian state, the electorate of Uttar Pradesh. With camera person Aniket Dubey, Sakal Bhatt reporting from Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh for DD India. So let me quickly introduce my panel